Hinay-hinay pero kanunay. That's a Visayan expression that means slowly but surely, or slowly but consistently. Maybe you're feeling a bit overwhelmed these days. Overwhelmed by your work, overwhelmed by your goals, overwhelmed by expectations. And so we give it our best, and we do it rapidly. Pero ang kalaban mo talaga dito is burnout. You exert so much time and effort to the point of being sick of it. Tapos yung ending, ayaw mo na siyang gawin. Ayaw mo na siyang ipagpapatuloy. But there's also an approach na you do things daily. Kahit kaunti lang yan, it will compound to better results. Hinay-hinay, a little each day, but you do it every single day. Like reading a book. If you read like 3 pages a day, you'll finish the book sooner than you think. And even with diets, if you're consistent with your exercise and diet, kahit paunti-unti, over a period of time, you'll achieve the weight you desire. Ang problema kasi sa atin, masyado tayong nagmamadali, and we want the results now. We think everything can be solved by cramming. Pero yung time and energy are limited. So kung ano man yung pangarap mo, do something about it each and every day. In the end, consistency wins. My prayer for you is that you gain the grace of doing small things with great love. Yung mga maliliit na efforts, pag pinagsama-sama yan, malaki na rin.